How can I earn money with Google News? If you are a website or blog owner, you can apply to become a Google News source. If your application is approved, your website's content will appear in Google News, and you will earn money based on the number of clicks your articles receive. Another way is to earn by copy-paste Google News articles on your website or blog. You can also use Google AdSense to show ads on your website or blog. Once your website traffic is high, you can make good numbers of money through AdSense per day. Are you still confused? Let's get started with some of the simple steps to earn with the Google News platform. This is Untitled TV. Please subscribe this channel for more interesting video like this. The following are the simple steps to take into consideration. 1. Choose a category. The first thing you have to do is to go to Google, type in Google News and click on Google News. Now you will see the different categories and the recent news. Choose an article/news which will be high potential and viral reach to all. When you are in dashboard, look for a news story that is interesting and has a lot of potentials. After you find an article that you think is interesting, click on it to read the full story. After choosing the niche or broad category to publish on the website, the next step is to rewrite headlines. 2. Rewrite headlines. If you want to make money with Google News, one of the best things you can do is to rewrite your headlines to be more clickable. Your headline is the most important part of your article because it is what will appear in Google News and determine whether or not people click on your article. To write a headline that is more clickable, you should make sure your headline is clear and concise. Include keywords that people are searching for. Use numbers and list ICLs. Create a sense of urgency. 3. Copy and paste news. After rewriting your headlines, copy and paste news articles from the source websites to your websites. And make some changes or use any article rewrite tools to rewrite the sentence. This makes your news website more legit and trustworthy and enables your website to get more users. The next step is to promote your website. 4. Promote your website. If you want to make money with Google News, one of the best things you can do is promote your website or blog on social media. Promoting your site on social media, you can increase the number of people who see your articles and click on them. And when more people click on your articles, you will earn more money from Google News. To promote your site on social media, we recommend creating a social media strategy that includes posting links to your articles on a regular basis. You can also run ads on social media platforms like Facebook and Twitter. 5. Advertise on your website. Google advertising allows you to earn money based on the number of people who see your ads and click on them. To set up advertising on your website, we recommend using Google AdSense. Google AdSense is a program that allows you to place ads on your website and earn money based on the number of people who see the ads on your website. Sign up for Google AdSense, and simply create a Google account. After that, apply for Google AdSense monetization. Once you got approved, you will start to earn with the AdSense program. 6. Change news into video. People love watching videos, and by changing your news into video, you can attract a larger audience. Not only that, but you can also make more money with Google News by running ads before or during your videos. There are many platforms to post videos, like YouTube and other social media platforms. You can simply upload your video on these platforms and start to make money. Software to change Google News into videos, Headliner Promo in Video.io. Finally, the above ways are to earn more money with Google News by using Google AdSense. Follow the above things and start to make money online easily with Google News. To earn more money, click now. Best free earning apps by Google. This is Untitled TV. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, comment and share this video.